Water is very essential nutrient for our body. Our body is made of 60 to 70% of water. So you can imagine how water is very important for our body. So there are numerous health benefits of water. Water helps to provide nutrients and oxygen to our whole body. Water also helps to detoxify our body. It helps our skin to look beautiful. Also, water helps in digestion process. It helps in maintaining the blood pressure. Also, it helps in constipation. So there are numerous health benefits of water. So it is very important for us to keep ourselves hydrated properly, to consume the given amount of fluid which is required for our body throughout the day, so that we can get all those benefits which are of the water. So in today's video we are going to discuss 10 different ways in which you can improve your water intake, increase your water intake and keep yourself hydrated. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Orange Zest. My name is Kiran, and on this channel we talk a lot about health, productivity, lifestyle and many other topics. And our today's topic, as you already know, it is how to increase our fluid intake, how to increase our water intake and how to keep ourselves hydrated. So without further ado, let's move to all the tips and tricks which I will be sharing with you in this video, and stay tuned and watch this whole video to get to know all the amazing tips which I will be sharing. Okay, so the first tip is, it is very basic but it is very important, that always keep water in front of your eyes. So whenever you are doing any work, like in your room, on your table, on your study desk, on your work table, or you are in office or wherever, keep always water in front of you, so that whenever you feel slightly dehydrated, you can take that water and sip it and you will feel hydrated. So I always keep my water near to me in my work table, so that I can always get that water, sip on that water, and so I also don't have to go to the kitchen and then fill the water bottle and then drink that. So it is a lot of tasks, so I always keep water bottle in front of me. It helps a lot in keeping us hydrated throughout the day. And yeah, this is the number one tip which I want to share. So the second tip which I want to talk about is, always carry your water bottle. So if you are a person who travels a lot, for your work or any other things, who travels a lot, or you are a traveler or anything, always make sure that you carry your water bottle with you when you move out of your home. So if suppose in morning you are going somewhere out, so always make sure that you carry your own water bottle, properly filled water in that, so that you can always sip onto the water whenever you are dehydrated or whenever you need that extra boost of water. Because yeah, water, we always need water, so make sure that you always carry your water bottle. My third tip is making your water more tasty. So how you can do that? So if you don't like consuming plain water, what you can do, you can add electrolyte powder. So there are different kinds of electrolyte powders, glucose powder, which are available in market. So you can take that, mix that in water, and it has glucose, electrolyte, various nutrients and minerals which are there in that drink. So you will get rehydrated and you will also feel tasty, and you will not feel bored to drink water. Or what you can do, if you don't like drinking that electrolyte powder, you can make infused water. So my first video on this channel was about infused water, and I will link that video in the description box. You can check how to make infused water. Making it is very easy. You have to take few slices of any fruit or vegetable you like and mix that in water and keep it for some time. You can add lemon, mint, cinnamon to it, and yeah, your infused water is ready and you can drink that. So this was my third tip in hydrating yourself. My fourth tip is drinking fluid based drinks. So in our country we get lot of fluid based drinks, we get sugarcane juice, we get coconut water, and with different types of fruit juices we get. So you can consume that whenever you want to hydrate yourself, you can just go and consume this, and you will get hydrated, and plus you will get some added benefits of that. And otherwise you can, after your lunch or dinner, you can have a glass of lassi or buttermilk, and that will also help to your body to get the fluid which is needed. And yeah, this is the tastiest way to get your fluids in the day. So the fifth tip which I want to share is that eating your fluids. So now you must be thinking what I am talking about. So but let me make it more clear for you. There are many fruits and vegetables which contains a lot of water. So vegetable like cucumber, it has lot of water contained in it, and also fruit like citrus fruits like oranges and sweet limes and watermelon, so which are easily available in summer, so you can have that fruits and you will easily get a lot of water through them. So like if you don't want to drink your fluid, you can eat your fluid and get your water intake of your daily needs. The sixth tip which I want to share is that you can download any app which helps in giving the water reminders. So there are many apps which are available which give water reminders, so you can download that apps, and what it will do, it will give you a notification like drink water, so you can grab your water and drink that, and in this way you will get your water intake which is needed. And also what you can do, you can like paste various stickers of water in your like on your work days or your study days, so that whenever you see that sticker and you get reminded yourself that yes, I want to drink the water, and then you drink your water. So this is also a fun way in which you can drink your water. The seventh tip which I want to share is that like tracking your water intake daily. So you can take any journal and you can like track water like this, like daily you can track the water. So this will help to like form the habit of drinking water, and it will also like it will give you how much water you needed in your whole like day, and it will also help like to know if you're doing it right or wrong, or how much water you're not consuming, and it will give you an insight. So daily tracking your water habit is also a very fun way to like know what is your intake, how much water you need, and if you're doing it or not. So it will really help to like maintain that water intake of your daily. So the eighth tip which I want to share is that investing in a good water bottle. So I have this my bottle here, and this bottle can hold a large amount of water, so it is like very good, and it also has this thing to like carry it anywhere. Like if you invest in a good water bottle, like whenever you see it you feel like drinking water and you carry it with yourself wherever you go. So this is also a great idea to like consume more water throughout the day, so like investing in a good water bottle. And there are also many bottles are available which like give the reminder of how much water you have drank, so you can also get that bottle for yourself, or a small bottles when you're traveling, so that you get the water and you don't have to carry a large amount of water so that your bag get heavy. So you can also do that to increase your water intake. So the tip number 9 which I want to share, that whenever you go to washroom and you come back, make sure that you drink a glass of water or you sip some water, because our body has lost the fluid, so our body needs to intake that fluid so it feels rehydrated. So it is very important that whenever you go to washroom, you like come and drink a glass of water, so that your body gets that water and it doesn't be in the water deficit. So the 10th tip which I want to share is that like drinking a big glass of water when you wake up first thing in the morning. If it is warm water, it is very good, but if it is not, it is totally okay. You can have a normal glass of water. And why drinking water in the first thing in the morning is important, because our body like it sleeps for long hours in the night and it doesn't get any kind of hydration or any nutrients. So it is very important that we give our body the hydration which is needed in the morning, so that we also feel good, energized, and our body also get all the nutrients which are required through the means of water. So always make sure that whenever you wake up, you drink a big glass of water in the morning. And these were all the 10 tips which I want to share. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye.